Moretec, innovation drives everything we do. Our dedicated R&D team harnesses advanced magnetic field analysis systems to engineer ferrofluid vacuum seals that deliver unmatched performance and reliability. In manufacturing, we combine state-of-the-art CNC machining with stringent quality control, achieving tolerances down to the micron level, ensuring every component meets exacting standards. Our products undergo comprehensive testing, including helium leak detection, high-pressure shock testing, and precision fluid control, guaranteeing leak-free performance and long operational life. From design to production, every stage reflects our commitment to excellence, ensuring Moretec ferrofluid vacuum seals perform reliably in the most demanding environments. Trusted by industries worldwide, Moretec continues to push the boundaries of vacuum sealing technology through relentless innovation and superior manufacturing practices. Because at Moretec, ferrofluid vacuum seals are what we do best, and we do it with precision, innovation, and dedication.